Filipino adobo versus every other country's national dish. Which would you choose? Let's settle this once and for all. While other countries argue about their national dishes, adobo quietly conquered Filipino hearts for centuries. And here's why it beats the competition. Round 1. Versatility. Italy has pasta. Great. But you need different sauces, ingredients, techniques. Adobo works with chicken, pork, beef, vegetables, even tofu. One technique, endless possibilities. Other national dishes are one-trick ponies. Round 2. Shelf life. French coq au vin needs to be eaten fresh. Indian curry oxidizes. Japanese sushi goes bad in hours. Adobo actually gets better after sitting overnight. We invented meal prep before it was trendy. Round 3. Accessibility. Good luck making authentic paella without expensive saffron or proper risotto without specific rice. Adobo needs vinegar, soy sauce, garlic. Ingredients available anywhere. Technique anyone can master. Round 4. Comfort factor. Sure, mac and cheese is comforting, but it's heavy. Adobo gives you that warm, satisfied feeling without the food coma. It's comfort food that actually nourishes instead of just filling you up. Round 5. Cultural story. Most national dishes represent one region or class. Adobo represents Filipino resourcefulness, using ingredients that last, methods that preserve, flavors that satisfy. It's survival and sophistication in one pot. The truth is, while other countries pick dishes to impress tourists, Filipinos chose the dish that actually feeds families. Adobo doesn't need fancy presentations or expensive ingredients to prove its worth. That's why adobo wins. It's not trying to be the fanciest dish, it's trying to be the best dish. Comment which national dish you think comes closest to adobo. And follow and share if adobo just earned your respect.